In the land of Uz lived a man named Job. He was blameless and upright, he feared God and shunned evil. God had blessed Job abundantly: 7 sons, 3 daughters, 7,000 sheep, 3,000 camels, and countless servants. His life overflowed with joy, his children feasted together often, and Job regularly prayed for them, offering sacrifices in case they had sinned. His heart was set on God, and God was with him. One day in the courts of heaven, the angels came before the Lord, and Satan came with them. "Have you considered my servant Job?" God said. "There is no one on earth like him." But Satan replied, "Does Job fear God for nothing? Remove your protection, and he will curse you to your face." The Lord answered, "Very well, everything he has is in your power, but do not lay a hand on him." On a day like any other, disaster struck. A messenger ran to Job. "The oxen and donkeys were taken, your servants slain." Before he finished speaking, another came. "Fire from heaven burned your sheep and shepherds." Another, "Raiders have stolen your camels and killed your servants." And worst of all, our fourth messenger, "A mighty wind struck the house where your children were feasting. None survived." Job tore his robe, shaved his head, and fell to the ground, not in rebellion but in worship. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Job 1:21 again. Satan appeared before God. "Strike his flesh, and he will surely curse you." The Lord permitted it. Job was struck with painful sores from head to toe. He sat in the ashes, scraping his skin with broken pottery. His wife said, "Are you still holding on to your integrity? Curse God and die." But Job replied, "Shall we accept good from God, and not trouble?" In all this he did not sin. Job's friends Eliphaz, Bildad, and Zophar came to see him. For 7 days they sat with him in silence, overwhelmed by his suffering. But when they spoke, their words cut deep. They accused Job of hidden sin. Job, confused and broken, cried out to God, "Why was I not hidden in the ground? Why is life given to those in misery?" Job 3:11, 3:20. He begged for answers not in hatred, but in despair. Then after the long silence God answered. From a whirlwind came a voice of unmatched power. "Where were you when I laid the earth's foundation? Tell me, if you understand. Who shut up the sea behind doors when it burst forth? Can you bind the chains of the Pleiades? Can you bring forth the constellations?" Job 38. God revealed his glory, his control over creation, his wisdom beyond human grasp. And Job realized God's ways are higher, his purposes deeper than man can see. Job replied, "My ears had heard of you, but now my eyes have seen you. Therefore I repent in dust and ashes." And the Lord restored Job's fortunes twice as much as before. He blessed Job with more children, and Job lived to see for generations. Job's story still speaks today, even in the darkest storm. Hold fast to God because his wisdom is greater, and his love never fails.